Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me trying to do the virtual contest, weekly contest 452 on Leetcode. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's contest and video and everything in between. I dropped my notebook, actually. But yeah, with my notebook and my pencil, I guess it should be okay. But yeah, let's go. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest. Each problem will have its own video for explanations and so forth. So yeah, so let's chill. Let's go. Let's do this. Go, 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 go. Ooh, cooking too slow. Is this the default contest layout? It's weird. Making me waste time to click through it here. I don't know why they do that. Do they not give me the contest layout anymore? Is this the layout? I'm so confused, but okay, fine. All right. Sorry, friends. I wasted some time doing this, but all right, let's just do it with this layout. I don't know what's going on. So yeah, wasted too much time on this. You can. Okay, change my layout before letting me do. Whatever, right? What is this coloring? Can I remove this coloring? Like what is going on? I don't like these colors. Just give me my normal colors back. Leetcode is always like messing things up, and you have one job, which is to kind of, you know. Like these colors are, I don't know, just really weird for me. I mean, this is, I don't want to set it up now, but it's just like, is there a way to reset? I don't know. Like I feel like there's like a turn off syntax highlighting or something, right? Sorry, friends. Clearly, I don't care enough about my ranking, but okay, fine. Like, why we're programmers and editors. Why do you think it's okay to mess with people's editors like this? This is so dumb. Leetcode is just like, do they not know how programmers think? Okay, fine. Okay. Oops. I mean, this isn't even that hard a problem, but I mean, I'm messing it up, but we don't know why they feel like it's okay to mess up with people's editor. Like, this is your one job. Oh, right. And now I have to look at, like, I have to look at one by one. They don't even tell you the results, so you have to click on each individual one. That is unacceptable. This is like the stupidest thing. I don't like. Okay, and it's accepted. I can't even tell because it's just, I don't know. This is the stupidest. Is there really no way to go back to the contest mode or whatever? Am I just being silly? Leetcode really does everything to kind of make your life terrible. They only have one job, which is give me a problem and give me a submit button, you know? Okay, fine. Okay, you have an all by secret. Like what? Okay, for every contiguous k by k submatrix, compute a minimum absolute difference between two distinct values within it. Okay, what does that mean? Minimum absolute difference between any two. Okay. K is equal to 2. I'm going to have some candy. I've been eating a lot of candy. I don't know, it's probably not great. I ran a lot today, so. Okay. Okay, 30 by 30. It's 900 square, right? Oh, it's 9,000, not 900. No, it's 900. 30 times 30 is 900. You just for a little bit. Yeah, I'm messing it up, but that's okay. Well, okay. Maybe the sorting is a little bit rough. Oh, I misread this actually. But that's fine. Actually, I mean, I structured it in a way such that it doesn't matter, but it's still very awkward. It's always a surprise and never a good way. I don't know why Leetcode is just. Because, you know, programmers are famously loves random surprise changes to their editors. Like, what is this? Like, I can't even. Is there an easy way to? Like, why are you making me? Oh, there we go. Okay, that's good. That's good. Maybe I take it back. I don't know if I take it back. They make you go, but it's still like better than before. I don't like this UI. It's silly, but okay. I'm ready one anyway. What are you doing, Larry? Why am I not here? I plus J is. Oh, is equal to. Okay, fine. Is it count to 0? Okay. What about the 4? Is infinity? Oh, I see. Is K is equal to, okay, fine. Yeah. Alright, I don't like this accept message. It's just like, you know, just let me know. Alright, whatever. How am I doing on time? An hour 20 minutes. I guess I'm starting too soon after the contest, so this is like they usually fix it afterwards, but it takes a bit. We'll see. Okay, so you have an M by N grid. Get some candy again. I just okay, I gotta stop eating candy. I'm gonna just get big. All right, you have a cleaning up later. Each cell. Oh, class name is a string. All right. All right. You have only one student. Leader must be collected. I'm going to constrain room is very small, 1S, and most 10L. Is that? I don't even know what the rest of the problem is, but it seems like it's some kind of traveling salesperson problem type thing. Just by the constraints. Maybe TP, but with the same idea. Okay. So you can go to R multiple times. No obstacle, empty. Okay. Is it Dijkstra? It's not travel. It's not Travis person. It's actually Dijkstra, I think. Okay. I don't want to write it. 400 times 10. I guess that's fine. Okay. Yeah, okay. It actually turns out to be Dijkstra. Many resets, right? Yeah, it doesn't say. Actually, I made some assumptions that there might only be. I see. Okay, I guess that's fine. I see. It's a breadth first search problem. I thought. No, was it? I thought if there's like not that many R things, I could just put down the Dijkstra, but because of the R, or like they could be all R's, then it's just easy, right? As an example. How's the 3 liter? or deleter. We didn't need to go to R. Weird one for sure. What is Q for? Is it 7 pointer? So I should figure this out. How do I handle R? If there's no R, it's just straightforward. Oh, I see. XY was at 400 times 50 times 1000. Is that too slow? That seems too slow. Or maybe a lot of the states are not possible. 200 minutes. This is so stupid. I have to gamble that a lot of the states are not possible. Because a lot of states are not possible because of X. How do I handle this one? Yeah, okay. Okay, fine. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Okay, yeah. Getting a little distracted. Yeah, this should be fine, but we'll see if it's fast enough. 2000 moves at most. Maybe. So I want to say SX, SY, 50 energy, or not 50 energy, energy, and then mask of 0. And this is going to have the distance of 0. Right? I don't know how I feel about this one, to be honest. Oh, this should be whatever Y. What is 0 again? Oh no, that's just it. Only have 4 things. Okay. I'm gonna do something about. Okay, maybe something like. Yeah. Oh, that's why, because I forgot the D. Okay, and then now if it's within bounds. I mean, this isn't that bad, but it's just annoying. Assuming that it doesn't time out, which Leetcode, who knows? Grid, no, it's close. Why is, I guess I have to do an if statement on that actually. Okay. So then now we do a switch statement-ish. I just do keep it if. Continue. Okay, so then now if x and y and is in I have to do one more optimization, I think, but oh, I didn't put D plus 1 here. But let's see if it runs real quick. I had to click on this. Why do you make me click on this? Okay, well, I mean that's wrong anyway. But why? Tell me why. I keep doing that, but yeah. I mean, that doesn't do anything. It's just an optimization. Why is it -1 though? S6, SY. Let's see. Oh, I didn't even handle energy correctly actually, but so this was going to be wrong. But it shouldn't be -1. It should just give me an answer. Actually, that's nice that they finally separate that out for me, unless I did it by accident. But a 00 Y bit mask ending. Actually, also. Okay, so they have to go from 1 to 0 for the energy stuff. Okay, but we still don't have this though. It's weird. I did the bit mask wrong. Or the, okay. So D, it goes 0, 1, 0, 2. Energy didn't change. Bit mask didn't change. D, Y. Oh man! Oh no, lookup is the index. So actually, okay, I'm dumb. I kind of was thinking about it, but I thought I might have pre-processed it. Okay, 2, 3, and 4. Y4. Not all valid paths. No valid path contains OL. Why not? Just down is 1. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh yeah, I didn't do energy. Okay, that's fine. I knew that I needed to do energy anyway. If new energy is greater than new 0. Okay, so that looks okay. Did I print anything? 2, 3, 1. YOLO submit. Maybe close. Guess we'll see. Maybe it times out. That'll be sad. Oh, wrong answers. Actually, even more sad. Let's see. Expect a -1. I put 3. Maybe I'm off by 1 though. energy is 1 is probably off by 1. I go S, I go 1, it goes to 0. Oh, because this is 0. I see, I am off by 1. Okay, how do I handle this? Because I count the energy first, right? Okay, let's actually don't reset when we go in. Just check that this is -1, and then we check it here at the beginning. If classroom of xy is equal to r, then NE is equal to, I mean, maybe E is equal to energy is fine actually. -1, okay. YOLO submit. Please no silly mistakes like that one. Also, don't time out. I never know where to look to when after I click on these things anymore. It's like so many things to look. Time limit exceed is not great. 796 out of 799. I feel like it's a Python thing, or Leetcode silliness about Python. Do they not give you the timing anymore? They give you less time to, come on, Leetcode. They give you less results. Are you serious? Like, here's the running time. Okay, fine. I don't know. Leetcode is so bad. I don't get it. Like, I used to defend them so much, but they just keep on doing things. Like, do you use your product? I don't get it. Okay, fine. Let's see. Like, how do I want to write this? What's that? Let's see. I think for it reduces state if I write if E is equal to 0, then we're done with this one. And then here, that means that E is not equal to 0. Then if classroom of nx and y is equal to reset, then NE is equal to energy. Maybe that's a little bit better. Yeah, it looks a lot faster for that case. Because we terminate now, and also now NE will never be whatever. All right, YOLO submit. But like, that's a like, how do I? There's no way for me to know that's a good enough optimization, right? We made it 80% faster or whatever, and we did 2 more test cases, but there's just no way for me to know whether that's fast enough. So this is another Leetcode thing, right? And now I'm cheating, if you will, by asking ChatGPT to just convert it for me. Thing is that, like, I don't know, maybe this is full, so then, you know. Like, maybe this is full, like, I don't know, like, if I convert it to an array, would it be fast enough? Unclear. So, I don't know. Okay, let's see. Lookup is, what is going on? I just want to look up to look up and to an int. What is all this? Oh, this is the hash. GPT is being weird. Just use unordered. What? Oh, use ordered. Oh, just map, I think. It's been a while. I don't use C++ enough. Is this too slow? This feels too slow though. I mean, it takes just as long as the Python one. And some of it's because, you know, I'm not really doing this right. I think tuple is probably a bad idea, honestly. Is that not right? And the thing is that, like, I can't tell, like, with these problems, I could never tell if it's Leetcode. It's because the constraints are so dumb that, you know, like is it me? Is it Leetcode? Who knows? I just flip a coin to see whether I get AC. Yeah. Like, is this fast enough? Doesn't look so, to be honest, but YOLO submit, maybe it times out. Maybe it gives me a wrong answer because I didn't even look at this, right? Yeah, and so I don't know. Maybe it is just just slightly too slow, right? But how can you tell when your submission is thanks? It tells you 5-minute penalty. Like when you do 788 of 89 cases, is it, you know? How much time do I have left? Doesn't even say because okay, 58 minutes. Can I optimize this? X is R, if it's L. I mean, I don't get it. What is the test case status? There's a lot of resets. I think that's the worst case. Can I reduce the rest case? Because I think that's the thing that gives me too much energy, so it increases states by a lot. Maybe that should be okay, right? How many states do I hit? I'm eating too much candy. I gotta stop eating candy. 103. Why does 103 states take so long? Am I doing it wrong? Oh no, that's the output, not the print. Oh, because I print here. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Let's print here. Like I'm doing silly optimizations. Okay, 800,000, a million, so they're pretty bad. Can I reduce them? Oh, because I see, because I go back and forth. So then it does. I was thinking that a lot of the states should not be reachable, but if you go back and forth, then your new energy, right? So I see. So how can I fix that? I fixed that by. Is it no? Okay, so can I store the max energy? So okay, so you have energy. So the trade-off is that the more energy you have, first, right? Trying to reduce this. And it may be that in Java is fast enough, to be frank, but I feel like you can reduce the energy, but yeah, maybe we can do something like that. No, because then you could come back with more moves with more energy. I see. Yeah, that's why I didn't do it that way. Because you could come back with more energy, but more moves. So, in theory, the lower energy means that you have fewer moves. So it's not. So then you could come back. Can you come back? No, you wouldn't come back to the same area because you have more energy but more moves. So then it's monotonically increasing. Should I go ahead? I mean, people's gotten in 2 minutes, but that's probably, you know, cheating. But I wonder if it's worthwhile to just, you know, like if it is not connected, then we just remove them. I mean, I don't think it does anything though, but I guess it's free. Let's do it. So then we don't do extra work on those because Leetcode is stupid. Okay, fine. Right, so then now here. I mean, this is such a linear optimization, right? That it's just, it doesn't even make sense for me to do it. But I don't have any ideas, frankly, other than, you know, cursing Leetcode, which is not going to solve me a problem. I don't think. This is the case. No, just do it if n what's it called? Classrooms. Classroom. Okay, then we just go. Where? Oh. I don't know if this. It's still going. It looks like it takes a while, even longer than before. So maybe it's just Leetcode having issues. Oh no, it's this new code. Oh yeah. Whoops. Okay, that is not Leetcode's problem. That's just me being dumb. That's the thing, right? Is that when you don't trust the platform, you know, like all these things can happen, right? Did I print stuff? Seems like I print stuff. I print distances. Does it help? I don't know. Probably not enough, but may even heard it, to be honest. But I don't really have ideas because you have to reduce. Okay, so like that is just stupid, right? I don't know. We're 15 minutes. Let's focus. That was a dumb problem, or dumb Leetcode problem, but it is what it is. Q4 maximum count distinct primes after split. I mean, you just have queries, index y, and then you have integer array, okay? For each query, update number of indexes you can value, choose an integer k to split the array into 9 empty prefix and a suffix such that the sum of the count of the distinct such that the sum of the count of the distinct prime values in each part is maximum. What does that mean? Alright. Okay. How do I even start this? It feels like segment 3, right? It's just like a random thing I have to know something about. And the numbers 5 to 10. I have one is safe there anyway. Write a prime. Man, I already messed up. Alright. Okay, so let's say we have the best answer. Right? How would you even think about it? I mean, the updates are fine. So then now you have so the thing is about distinctness. You want overlap-ish to be as much as possible. But how do you figure where to divide? Okay, let's say you do a pass. But there could be a lot of different cuts, right? How do you update in a good time? I ate so much candy. How much time do I have left? 46 minutes. Too much candy. Garbage can of shame. Do you always divide? No. I was gonna say always divide around the same number, which is kind of true, but it's not sufficient. Is it? And here you can also even move 2 on the other side. Okay, let's say we keep track of all the individual numbers. If it's 1, it doesn't matter. If it's 2, then we want the median, right? So what does that mean? And then also, what if the thing is like, I don't know, 2255. Then we have to decide either here or here, so then we can't really separate them out. I guess we can, we just can't figure, I mean, but another thing would be, what if we have something like this? No, just like this, right? Then would you still want it here? Or would it be better if I do something like this or something? So okay, so what is the benefit of cutting it somewhere, right? Okay, actually, no, because it's distinct, so you only want the first and the last of each number. Okay, so that means that, okay, if the first and the last of each number is here, then that means that but then there could be other things, right? Be like something like this, maybe even like this. How do you figure it out? Or even like this, maybe. Then how do you figure out you want? Okay, because you want to. Okay, so now we only keep track of the first and the last. And if we have something like this, what happens? It's like almost like intersecting line segments in a way. And the thing only updates. So the query updates only updates the first or the last or both, I suppose. Oh no, you have to be a little bit smarter just because you also remove stuff of a query, so that can actually change things. Let me look at the constraints real quick. Okay, n is big, query is big. Okay, so okay, let's say we have the things for all the first and the last. And the queries update, so you can't do them in any order in case that's a thing. So it has to be live-ish. So okay, so for every number, how many primes are there? Maybe that's a thing actually. 10 to the 5th primes under 10 to the 5th. 10,000. Still too much for me to brute force on each query, I think. But that's an interesting idea. Is it though? No, yeah, I mean you can brute force, that's for sure. But okay, so each prime number contributes 1 to the answer, unless it gets split by a thing. You could do that with a. Is there a prefix sum idea? So basically, you're adding a prefix sum from do to do, and you're trying to get the max cut. And then the max cut will give you the number of prime numbers that are on the left and the right and dissected. I think that's right. So maybe sec tree is the way to go, right? Because then now we do 2 updates. I think that sounds right. Yeah, I think that's right, maybe. I don't know. we'll see if it's honestly. I mean, the idea seems reasonably okay. Then now we have F. No, yeah, something like that. And now I'm going to say for index x dot append index. Oh, yeah, I guess we add index in this case now. This is sorted list. Okay. And then now in the segment tree, right? So for key in f of keys, we want to say seg tree. No, okay. We want to get the first element and the last element. So f of k. So that's the first element and the last element, and they could be the same. I think that shouldn't matter. And now it's just seg tree. I forget my I have to write it. First plus 1. Wait, is there a thing? Oh yeah, no, that's fine. We just add it to a range, right? So we just use lazy propagation with seg tree. I feel like there is one with a different array, but maybe I'm wrong. Okay. And then that should be close to good. We have to write out the seg tree. Yeah, okay, let me try. Let me find my segment tree webhook. Range update get max. That's a pretty standard one. I should be able to just find the actual one. Okay. Yeah, okay. I always forget what it. This is one indexed. Yep. Okay. So then now. I should have one with helper 1. So it's first to last. I don't know if it should be inclusive or not. It seems right. Maybe they should not be when. Should be inclusive, so okay, fine. If there's only one, then this should be good. Okay, fine. Is that true? Maybe I should just skip it then, right? Because it adds one contribution when it shouldn't have. Okay, so let's say we have between 3 and 4. We actually I want to add 1 to 3, not 3 and 4 inclusive. So last plus minus 1 sounds good. Okay, those are the nodes, right? I think. I always forget which one is the parameter, which one is not. I need to have notes on my thing, but I think that's array elements, right? So 0 and minus 1. Is it n minus 1 or n? I think n minus 1 is fine. Okay. size. What is size? And I don't know, just a little bit more. Let's see if it runs. Okay. I mean, it doesn't do anything, but at least it doesn't crash, which is good. Okay. And now for queries, the index value. We have to do some stuff here first. This is only if prime sub x. Then we add this. Okay. Okay. And then maybe get max. Why do I have updated? Oh no, query. I mean, query is fine, but we just want query. Man, I always forget. Okay. Node. Oh, and then also because I want the whole tree, so this is the max, right? Okay, that's the max cut, and then there's just a number of primes, so current is equal to f, or length of f. Maybe that's fine. Length of f of keys, just to be more precise because I always forget. Okay, so then now here we update. Okay, so what is the current int value? Or p value is equal to this, and then it is f of p value dot remove index. Yep, right. And then I mean, we should do that, but if nums, I don't know, if f of p value of 0 is equal to index, that means that we're able to change the first. Actually, we could just update it twice. Okay, fine. So we can just do st update. Okay, so we subtract out what it used to be. So first is equal to f of p value 0. Last is equal to f of p value of -1. Okay, and that's only if it's a prime, right? So if prime sub p val, then we subtract it back out. We remove this, and then if prime sub p val, then we just put it back in of the previous value. Okay, and then now okay. Well, we have to also check if length of p val, well, f of p val is greater than, if it's equal to 0, then we want to actually delete it. Else update. Okay, right. And then now we update the val. So num sub index is equal to value. Okay, if prime sub val, maybe we shouldn't update yet. No, yeah, let's not update yet. We want to say if, then we have to remove the previous one. Maybe I could have had a helper in this, but I don't know, too late maybe. It's fine. So then that's wrong. We want to now add it back in. And then now we update. And f of value dot add index. And then now we do this again. And then answer that append is just, I guess we don't need current because we're keeping track in the length of keys. Length of f of keys plus the max cut, which is this thing. And hopefully this is right. Hopefully the idea is right. One is not in the list. Which list? Index. Definition is should, right? Hmm. Oh, because if it's not prime. Oh yeah, this is only if it's prime. I guess this is only if it's prime, so then here we do this stuff only if it's prime. Okay, and then if it is prime, I mean we want to update this anyway, so that's fine. And then, but this is only if it's prime. As we remove, update it even if it's not prime. Now it's a little bit confusing, honestly, but okay, fine. Power of -1. Oh yeah, we have to check that. If okay, yeah, if length of f of value is greater than 0, otherwise we don't have to update. This is not in the tree, and that's always updates anyway. Okay. Alright, p value -1. Oh, that's nice that they highlight this actually. But okay. Oh, that's just a typo. Copy typo. This is here too then. Okay. 3, 4, and 0. Am I confident? No. But YOLO. I mean, it may time out, but shouldn't time out. I mean, okay, it's Leetcode, so it may time out anyway. But like, I don't do anything that expensive, so it shouldn't. Can I do this with prefix sum or prefix tree or whatever? Again, we're short by I mean, I was thinking maybe we can optimize this this query, but this query is fast enough because it just returns the first element anyway, right? I don't think this actually changes anything. I mean, okay, let's run it real quick. But this is stupid. Like, I don't know, 748. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to say? This takes 4 seconds. Wow, that's actually not great, but let's see if that optimizes it a little bit. Get max or something. So then now, maybe it'll help in the way that we don't call the max function. But okay, so what does that do? That returns, what's it called, sub.tree of 0 or 1 maybe? So it was like 4.4 seconds or something. We'll see if this is a little bit faster. Okay, not that much faster. Can I get rid of the max functions? Maybe I should have done it anyway. We don't use queries, so it's updates. Maybe I do too many updates. I don't know. But 4.1 seconds. That's what we had. Let's see if we save time there. A little bit. Is it enough to solve 2 more cases? Honestly, unsure. I don't know that I could do that much faster though. I mean, I think this is pretty clean. Unless there's another one that I can think of. I mean, that's just sad, right? Like, it's just Leetcode not wanting to cooperate. Both this and Q3. I have 26 minutes left. Can I come up with something? I don't know. Yeah, that didn't change enough. Come up with the Java. All right, let's see if that works. I mean, it's Leetcode. It's ChatGPT. I'm unsure whether this works. Where am I? Line 7. How to convert what? What is it going on here? Oh, because it's okay. This thing. Why is it going wrong again? list integer. Where's my thing? What did I do? Okay, I guess ChatGPT is converting again, so I guess I'll just do that one. But isn't it silly that we have to do this, and it's not clear that it is good enough? What is going on? Oh. There's something really wrong here. Almost clicked on submit by accident. It's so easy to click. Oh, that's so much faster, right? Is that right though? I don't know. YOLO submit. Maybe it gives me wrong answer because of translation, but no. So it's just all Python things. So the entire contest was Python things, which is kind of silly. But yeah, that is all I have for this one, I think. I mean, I'll go do a quick retro actually. 1 is okay. 2 is okay. I mean, they're showing me Java code, but 1 is okay. 2 is okay. 3, I mean, you know, like I don't think it's that bad, but Leetcode is just silly. And then 4, I also silly Leetcode again. I mean, I don't know how fast I could have gotten otherwise, but it wasn't. All the timing was optimization. So really silly problems. And yeah, I guess that is it. I mean, the problems are fine. The constraints are dumb. Once again, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.